Good morning, this is day 29 of 30-day morning yoga challenge. We will start this practice seated. You can stay in cross-legged sit or sit on your heels like I'm doing here. Find what feels best in your body. And when you're ready, place your fingertips to your shoulders and start rolling your elbows and shoulders back, up, forward, making big shoulder circles. Change direction and roll your shoulders back, making your circles as big as you can. Now interlace your fingers behind your back, lift your chest up, pull your elbows apart, look up slightly. Feeling a stretch on the front of the body, chest and shoulders. Take one more big breath, try to lift your chest a little higher. And then release. Extend your arms forward, cross your right arm above the left, bend the elbows and catch your wrist or press the palms together. With inhale, lift your elbows up. Exhale, round the back, elbows down to the chest. Inhale to lift your elbows up, slightly arch the back. Exhale, round. One more like this. Inhale, lift. And exhale, round. Come back to neutral position. Release your arms. Interlace fingers behind your head again. Lift your heart. Open your elbows as far as you can. Breathe in here. Take one more big inhale. And with exhale, release. Cross your left arm above your right. Bend the elbows. And 3 more times here. With inhale, lift your elbows, arch the back. Exhale, round the back, chin down to the chest. Move with your breath. Then release your arms, shake or roll your shoulders out. And make your way into downward facing dog. Walk your feet out here, pressing the heels towards the ground one by one. Then come to stillness in your downward dog. Press the floor away, lift your sit bones up. Heels heavy down towards the ground. Release your knees down and straighten your right leg out to the side. Start moving back and forth, shifting your hips forward and then back towards your left heel. Looking for a stretch around your hips, probably somewhere on the inner thighs and groin. Then sit your hips down towards your left heel as low as you can. Stay up on your hands or lower your forearms down. Breathe here. Come up to your hands. Bring your left hip above your left knee for gate pose. Lift your torso. Reach your left arm up. Inhale. And exhale, side bend to the right. Big stretch on the left side of the body. One more big press. And come back to tabletop position. Same on the other side. Extend your left leg out to the side. And start moving your hips forward and back. Looking for a stretch on your hips, inner thighs, groin. Then find some stillness here. Sit your hips down to your right heel as low as you can. Take a few deep breaths. Slowly come up to your hands. Lift your torso. With inhale, reach your right arm up. Exhale, side bend to the left. Take one more big breath. And make your way back to tabletop position. Come up into downward facing dog for one more time. Lengthen the spine here, press the heels down to the mat. Then walk your feet forward, cross your shins and sit your hips down to the mat. Coming into cross-legged seat. Try to keep your shins a bit more away from you so that they are almost parallel to each other. Flex the feet. With inhale, lengthen your spine, lift your chest up. Exhale, fall down to your legs. Walk your hands forward as far as you can. And breathe here. With each exhale, try and relax your chest, your torso down towards the legs. Walk your hands more to the left side, into a little side bend, a bit more stretch on the right side of the body. Then bring your hands to the right side a bit more, lengthening the left side of the body. Come back to center and switch the cross of your legs so that another shin is now in front. Feet flexed. With inhale, straighten your spine. With exhale, walk your hands forward, fall down to your legs. Take a couple deep breaths. Walk your hands to the right side. Try to breathe a little more into your left side. expanding the ribs on the left side. Then walk your hands over to the left. Breathe deeply into your right side. Come back to center and come up into cross-legged sit. You can cross your legs any comfortable way now. And take one more breath to finish this practice. With inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, palms to your heart. This was day 29 of our challenge. Hope you enjoyed your practice today. I wish you a great day and see you tomorrow for last day of our challenge.